How to cancel an open order on Binance. To cancel an open order on Binance, you have to follow these steps. First of all, what you have to do is you need to navigate to My Order section. Launch the Binance application, and then you want to go to the My Order section from the top of the page. Next, you want to select Pending. Within My Orders, choose the Pending tab to view your activity order. After which, what you have to do is you want to find the specific order that you want to cancel and click on it. What next you need to do is you should see an option to cancel the order, typically labeled cancel order. Click on it to confirm the cancellation, and you may need to confirm your cancellation by selecting a reason for the cancellation, such as buyer or seller reason. If cancelling due to seller reason, you might need to wait for a seller to confirm it, and that way you'll be able to cancel an open order on Binance. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.